Micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, are the backbone of any emerging economy. They contribute majorly to the gross domestic product and offer employment to a very large section of the population. However, despite best efforts by government and development financial institutions, availability of finance continues to be a challenge for MSMEs, and most MSMEs continue to be underserved or unserved in terms of availability of credit. Access to finance is consistently cited as one of the top 3 obstacles to unlocking the growth of the segment. Most of the research conducted highlights the acute shortage of finance. As per a recent IFC McKinsey study, there is an estimated 60% gap in finance to SMEs. Lack of appropriate financing products and services, weak delivery channels, and inherent risks associated with MSMEs mar opportunities for access to finance. The challenges for MSMEs to raise debt funds are mainly on account of size, the risk perception, the availability of information, and the availability of bankable collaterals, just to name a few. Typically, the segment's needs hovers around short to long term loans ranging from around USD 1,000 to USD 200,000 more. But in most developing countries in Asia and Africa, the critical gap lies in USD 1,000 to USD $20,000. The segment which is bigger than that serviced by MFIs and smaller than those that banks typically like to look at. In order to promote sustainable growth in the medium to long term, customized financial services and products become the key, along with a cost-effective delivery channel which can realize the potential that is presented by this segment. Apart from presenting an underserved segment, customized financial product for MSMEs paves the way for commercial banks as well as MFIs to diversify. Empirical evidence suggests that growth fueled by customized financing approach makes the MSMEs sustainable as compared to growth fueled through higher cost informal credit sources. Banks and MFIs clearly have strategic, operational and financial benefits by focusing on MSME financing. At a strategic level, MSME financing helps open up business opportunities, enable diversification of portfolio and deconcentration of risks, and helps the institution achieve the status of a diversified player in the financial services sector. At an operational level, banks and MFI get to expand outreach to new markets and enhance traction due to market-led financial products on offer. Financially, MSMEs offer possibilities of higher revenues from serving a new segment and potentially higher returns from extending credit to an underserved sector. Thus, overall, MSME financing is a sustainable and viable approach to creating a competitive edge in the market and, more importantly, diversifying across asset classes or segments. Thus, there exists space for banks and MFIs to expand access to finance to MSMEs. However, the program design and implementation has to focus on appropriate products, risk management processes, HR systems including staff trainings, and capacity building and innovative and cost-effective delivery channels, including the possibility of utilizing E&M banking channels for delivery of products. All of this will enable a crucial segment of the economy to receive the much needed financial products and services, and will enable banks and MFIs to diversify assets and grow their businesses.